Did you know there's a free plugin that can instantly add character and depth to your tracks? Meet Baby Comeback, a versatile delay plugin that combines simplicity with powerful features, making it perfect for producers of all levels. Baby Comeback offers 4 distinct flavor modes: wide, analog, saucy, and cheap, each designed to give your tracks a unique vibe. Whether you're looking for a modern, polished sound or something more vintage and gritty, this plugin has you covered. The ping-pong stereo delay mode adds width and complexity, creating dynamic, spacious effects that bring your mix to life. One of Baby Comeback's standout features is the built-in ducker. This smart tool automatically lowers the volume of the delayed signal when the original sound plays, ensuring clarity in your mix, even with long, lush delays. It's an effortless way to keep your main elements up front while still enjoying a rich, echo-filled atmosphere. Baby Comeback is available in VST, VST3, AU, and AAX formats, compatible with most DAWs on both Windows and Mac OS. And the best part? It's completely free. Whether you're enhancing vocals, adding rhythm to guitars, or creating ambient soundscapes, this plugin is a must-have for your production toolkit. Want to explore more free tools to elevate your music? Comment Baby Comeback below and we'll send you the free download.